Well, this is the only and last penthouse available in Marina Gate Tower 1. There are more penthouses available in Tower 2 next door that's going to be ready in a couple of months. And unfortunately, penthouses in Tower 3 are already sold out. The size of this penthouse is about 3,300 square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, it has a study room, and it has a maid room. Let me take you around and show you this penthouse.
All right, let's go and have a look at penthouse number 5003, located on the 50th floor. Once you open the door, you enter to living and dining area. Very high ceiling and large windows will get your attention. On lower floor, we have living and dining, kitchen, maid's room, and other 2 bedrooms. Kitchen is fully fitted and appliances brand is Miele. Also, you can see there is built-in freezer and refrigerator. Let me take you to the first bedroom on the right side. It's the bright bedroom with a decent size. On the other side, we have a laundry room and maid's room with ensuite bathroom. And when you're coming out of this area, at the end of the corridor, you have second bedroom on lower level. All the bedrooms, no matter if they're located on a lower level or higher level, they have access to balcony, and all of them they have ensuite bathroom. Okay, let's go and have a look at the upper level area. We have family room and TV room here, and in this area you have a study and other 2 bedrooms located. Plus you have separated and second entrance to the penthouse from this door. This part of the penthouse is my favorite area, which is the study room, or you can use as your small office. That's the 3rd bedroom with access to balcony. And at last is a turn to check out the master bedroom with the L-shaped built-in closet. Finishing in the bathroom is also different. His and her sink, stand-up bathtub, and a stand-up shower over here. I have recorded this video around midday, noon time, but if you notice, all the bedrooms and areas are very bright. At the same time, you don't have direct sun and heat into your penthouse. All right, that was the quick tour to our penthouse. If you would like to know about the price, the great offer and amazing payment plan we have for this penthouse, please contact me on the link below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.